The topic of this video is how to write SEO-friendly attention-grabbing titles. There is a lot more to SEO than keywords. SEO is about how to make your hard work stand out and look good to your audience. The point is to get found, and once found, for the audience to consume your content. If you work on your titles, you'll make a lot more headway. When it comes to your headlines, keep them short. You only have so much space for the entire title to show up in search results. Therefore, don't use more space than you need so that the complete title shows up for your customers when they're searching for you. At the same time, use keywords. Your keywords are super important to use in your titles. Google does use these keywords to send results to the users. The best way to do this is to try to have the keywords within the first 3 words of the title. If your business is location dependent, consider using location. You want to mention your location where you can. If you can bring it into a title, that's even better. You'll garner a lot of the local search customers because Google often sends users local searches first. It is always a good idea to think of where the title will show up. If this is the title of your whole page and not just an article, think of how your search results shows up for the entire website. A great way to make the title is to consider using the keywords, then your business name, then the location, if relevant, so that all that shows up in the search results. Don't get too artistic and don't try to be tricky. Titles aren't the time to try to be too clever. Yes, a lot of online magazines and newspapers do this, but in all honesty, this is not working for them as much as they might think. The main reason it's not working long term is that they're making their audience angry. To make your headers stand out, try to use vertical bars. Some people call it a pipe, and it's located over the top of the backslash on most keyboards. This is a good symbol to use to separate words in a title, as it's not a sign to stop for search engines, plus it looks good to the eye. Consider your audience and think about what your audience is looking for. If you can answer that, you'll not only get more content ideas, but you'll also be able to put the right words in the title so that your audience wants to click on it to read more, and they won't be disappointed when they do. You can also use numbers. If your content has a particular number of points, adding numbers to the title is helpful, not only for search engines, but also for your audience to get curious enough to want to click through to find out more. Writing SEO-friendly, attention-grabbing titles really doesn't take too much work. After all, you've created content that your audience wants to read. All you have to do is ensure that they can find it by using the right words in the title that will get their attention.